made our way to Bimini. Love Bimini. So many things to see, so many things to do. We anchored in front of a beautiful lighthouse after a downwind sail. It was an easy sail. It was great. Feeling wonderful. The end of our trip. I know we gotta go back to Florida, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I just look forward to coming back, and so I always have something to look forward to. Keeping it positive, you know. Came through Gun Cay and Cat Cay, or North Cat Cay. There were some currents. It made it a little bit of a rocky road, but it was okay. And now we're anchored in front of a beautiful lighthouse. It's great.
Here we are at Honeymoon Harbor in Bimini, or actually Gun Cay, just outside of Bimini. And I'm going to try the Gladius underwater ROV. There's some rocks here and a little bit of coral under where we're anchored. Should be fun.
On the north end of Gun Cay is Honeymoon Harbor. There's so many cool places and things to see there. Beautiful sand beaches, great snorkeling. Oh my goodness. You can snorkel all day long there. Lots of stuff to see. Tonight we have a plan. We're going to take out our cool Gladius submarine camera and we're going to run that around the boat. See what we can find. We're hoping for sharks, I don't know, crabs, hopefully fish. And who knows what we'll see at night. Creatures are out there. You know they are. Tomorrow we're gonna head home. Always sad when we have to end our trip, but it's good to go home. So we're looking forward to, we have this small weather window. We have some weather that's coming in that could keep us in the Bahamas for, I don't know, a couple weeks. That'd be great, but it's better to go home and be safe. We should have a downwind sail. The seas are forecasted to be 5 to 6, so this should be interesting. Looking forward to it. motor noise, nice and quiet. Wind in your sails, wind in your hair. The sea is beautiful, gorgeous turquoise waters. Ooh, my wind is picking up. Oh yeah, here we go. That's right, you put me behind the helm, things start happening. I'm a sailor.